That is epic! What are you doing today?
We're making a volcano, and as you can see, the animals are back here.
Put the baking soda.
This one?
There, yeah. So what are you doing?
Making a volcano.
So what are you putting? It's a
Baking soda.
baking soda. Now you have to put some food coloring. It's gonna be red. I think that's enough. Now, Liam, when mommy says lava, put the vinegar.
Now move! It's going left.
Did it rough? No. Okay, Liam.
Put in the potato. No, Mom. That's a good one.
It's okay. You can do it.
Yeah, I want to do it.
1, 2, Liam, look. Yeah! That is epic!
Need food coloring and different kind of measuring cups. Baking soda.
What's this?
I said vinegar.
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 Say vinegar.
And something that looks like a volcano.
Yeah, that's a tomato container.
And what can I show you something? For the next one, I know a volcano.
Is it amazing, Liam?
See this volcano? We can put it in, and lava will go out from this cave, and lava will spout out from those holes.
You're right, you're right. You have a real volcano. Yeah.
And you can pick a volcano like this, or like this, something like this. And you're gonna need a platform. And remember, measuring cups, food coloring, vinegar, and
Baking soda.
baking soda.
Say vinegar. To listen, here's a lesson I want to teach you. Remember the first time the lava did not come out? What do you have to do? You have to try again. Yeah. So do you cry?
No.
Do you give up?
No. And if you want to try this at home, kids, you need to make sure to have a go to supervise.
It's a beautiful day. Don't waste this sunshine. It'll be alright.
One more. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Hi, I'm Huntley, and today I'm going to talk about Filipino culture. How do I know Filipino culture? My parents are Filipinos. They came from the Philippines.